ready, you can throw the power punch. Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I'm Andre Drago, a professional athlete, and today I'm gonna show you 3 different ways how you can use your jab, the most important tool in boxing. You know, this is the most important one. And the first one is the check jab. I call it like that so you can check where your opponent is, you can check your distance, you know, between you and him, and you can disturb him, you know, always using the jab. And the second one is the quick one, the fast one, the fast jab, you know, where you throw it fast so you can frustrate him a little bit and find a gap, you know, for your power punch. And the third one, the last one, is the power jab, where you will also use the body, you know, the whole body, the shoulders, the hips, the legs, everything, you know, it's a little bit of step inside, you know. And now going back, I will show you the first jab, you know, the check one. So this is the boxing position. The legs are very important. Don't forget please about the legs, because from here comes the power and everything. So you use your position or boxing position and you throw the check jab. You move. This is so you can see you can check your opponent, pop, and see the distance, you know. And when you are ready, you can throw the power punch, you know. This is the first one. The second one is the fast one, the quickest one. So this is a little bit of frustration for your opponent, because if you use this very fast and very quick, it will be very, very hard for him to find, you know, and you will find some gaps, you know, in his defense. So now let me show you. You use your position, and now we will throw very fast and very quick. And now from the side, so you can see it much more better. This is the quick one, the fast one. And don't forget about your legs, please, because that's very important in boxing. And now the last one, the power jab, is where you use the whole power and you put it inside. Let me show you. Use your position, take your position or boxing position, you know, and you step inside with the body. And now look, this is the power jab. And now from the side, so you can see it much more better. This is the power jab, my friends. So in a couple of moments, I will use a partner, my friend Robin, a good friend of mine, and he will help me so I can show you how it really works using the pads. But you can also do this at the gym, you know, using the bag or anything else, or a partner who can hold the pads for you. And yes, this is the thing. So let's see how it works. Okay my friends, now I'll show you the 3 ways how you can use the jab, the check jab, the quick jab, and the power jab. But now I will need a little bit of help, and I got this from my good friend Robin. He will help me, he will hold the pads for me. The first one is the check jab. Okay my friends, that was the check jab. That is very important, so you can check where your opponent is and you can check your distance between you and him, you know. This is very important. And okay, now the second jab is the quick and the fast jab. You can do a little bit of scoring with this jab and also find the gap, and you can really frustrate your opponent with this jab. So now let me show you. This was the quick jab, the fast one. With this jab you can open your opponent, find some gaps, and also get some points. And now getting to the last jab, the power jab. With this jab you can really hurt your opponent and also knock him down, you know. If you find the defined spot and the right timing, you can knock him out. So let me show you how this works. You know, you will have to use your body and also your step, because you will step inside. This is the power. You know, the power comes like when you stay in the front, you go inside with your whole body, you know. And now let's do this on the pads. Okay guys, that was the power jab. It's like I said before, it's very powerful, but you have to step inside a little bit and also use your body together with a punch. And with this punch, you can knock out your opponent without any problem. And now, thank you for watching guys, and hopefully we'll see you the next time. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, because I will be very thankful and very grateful for that. And hopefully we will see us the next time.